One of my favorite things about what I do is helping someone bring their ideas to life, and it's even better when they go through the process with me. Last week, a young lady named Meredith came to me and she wanted a neon style LED sign, and that's exactly what we did. We started with a piece of 1/2-inch acrylic. We engraved the reverse image of her text on the back of the acrylic, and then we pressure fit LED strips into the channels that we had engraved with the CNC. It turned out great, and I want to show you how we did it. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave comments, and all that other good stuff so that you can always see interesting stuff like this on this channel right here, broadcasting from the Bristol Artisan Co. in Bristol, Tennessee. Thanks for watching, and check it out. So it needs to be cut right here.
Yeah, I just need to think about the cut lines. Sorry, it's like a faster with repeated practice. So you have those little black lines on where you can cut it.
Okay, we happen to fall on a black line?
Yes. I'm just wondering if I can fit it all the way. I guess I'll cut the longer one, and I can trim it if I need to trim it.
Okay.
I'll do it that way. I need to think about how the soldering works. Like, do I want to take the bee out to solder it and then put it back in? I think the answer is probably yes. Instead of soldering it in place.
Probably. We don't want to drop solder on our letter and have it break our heart, you know.
Also, I'd have to stick it way down in there to get to work, which would be a pain in the butt. Okay, so that one right there. Oh, cut! There we go. Okay. Yeah, so you see, you cut it in the middle of the contact, and then you can connect the pieces of contact together. But you have to cut off some of the extra rubber to be able to do these.
Okay, Meredith, you came to me with a vision.
Mm-hmm.
Is this your vision?
It is perfect. It is exactly what I wanted.
You think your feller's gonna like this for his Christmas present?
It better like it. Yeah, I think he will.
All right. Well, I had fun doing this, and I learned something too. So these kinds of things that I've never done, and they challenge me.
Mm-hmm.
This one kind of challenged me. So now I know how to do it, and I have confidence to do this again. And you do too, right?
If I ever need another bar sign, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well,